Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like.
Alright, so now we're going to start making our oil massage. So here are the oils that we needed. So as you see here, I have the coconut oil, jojoba oil, and the sweet almond oil, which is my carrier oil. And the essential oils that I'm gonna use is here. You see the lemon eucalyptus, the eucalyptus itself, a wintergreen, a peppermint, lavender, and a sweet orange. So we're going to blend these oils into one bottle of as a spray for body massage. Okay, let's do this. Alright, so we're going to start with these three carrier oils that I have that we need to use to blend our essential oil. So I have a coconut oil, jojoba essential oil, and the sweet almond oil. I tried so many brand of these oils. So I have a medium, a Firmoyo, and a Rosino for this. But you can use any kind of brand that you want for your oils. But I like this brand because I already tested it. So feel free to choose which brand you want for your oils. Alright, so now let's start with this 60 milli of a spray bottle. Okay, so what we need here is we're going to put this coconut oil, the coconut oil first for 42 milli. I'm going to write the recipe on the description, guys. So I'll just pour this inside of this 60 milli bottle spray. You know why we blend carrier oil with this essential oil? So that for them easy to blend and it's nice and smooth. Okay, so after we finish this 42 milli of coconut oil, and then we're going to put 12 milli of jojoba oil. This is jojoba oil, so I need just 12 milli of this. And 12, okay, this one. And then let's add into our 60 milli bottle. For sweet almond oil, we only need 6 milli of this. Okay, and then let's put inside of this. So as you see, guys, the bottle, the spray bottle is almost full, but what we need to add in here is just a drop of those essential oils. Alright, so we're gonna start get the dropper and start dropping each essential oils that I mentioned. Alright, so the first essential oil that we're going to mix is a peppermint essential oil. So we need 7 drops of this peppermint essential oil. So I have a dropper. So prepare your drop, and it says all you need is 7 drops. Alright, so next we have the lemon eucalyptus, and we need 4 drops of this lemon eucalyptus. So this is another, just the normal eucalyptus. There's no lemon, so I need this 4 drops of this too. Right, so next is a drop of lavender. I have the small one, which is the 5 milli lavender. So I'm gonna need this 5 drops of this. Then we need 2 drops of wintergreen. Okay, so wintergreen is optional, but if you want a little bit menthol, scent, and you feel like you want more menthol on this, so you can add wintergreen, but this is optional. So if you want to add a wintergreen, all you need is 2 drops of this. And the last is 3 drops of sweet orange. I also have a small one of this sweet orange. Alright, so there you go, guys. So we already mixed all the oils in here, essential oil and the carrier oil. Alright, so now we're done with our for body oil massage, and what we're gonna do is, after you finish, just shake it and leave this for like 48 or 24 hours so that it blends all the carrier oil and essential oil. So there you go, guys. So I hope you like this video, guys. Try this and let me know down in the comments. So if you want to follow this one, guys, and make your own DIY essential oils, just follow the recipe I will put on the description, and leave the comments how it smells like and how you feels like when you massage it into your body. Thank you so much, guys, for watching, and see you next time. Bye for now.
To the city streets, we began to feel the fire.